Hello viewers, finally Apple has released iPadOS 18.1 along with this update. In fact, Apple is doing a fantastic job of pushing updates every month, and with every update you can see new things coming into your iPad, or if you are using any iPhone, in that case you will get iOS 18.1. This update is mainly for those users who are using iPhone 15 Pro and above series, because with 8 GB of RAM you can use Apple Intelligence on your iOS devices, and in this iPad 10th generation you will not get any Apple Intelligence feature. So after installing the latest version, I did not see any change in this UI. However, it is a welcome change that I have got a new update in the form of iPadOS 18.1. Internally there may be changes, but outwardly I could not find any change from previous version of iOS 18. When Apple released iPadOS 18, there are serious battery drainage issue, and then they pushed another update in the form of iPadOS 18.0.1, and after that the battery life increased a lot. But after this update, what will happen with the battery life, I don't know. So if you have no hurry, don't update to the latest version until my review video comes out. As I have Apple Care warranty, so I don't care about anything. I just update to the latest version after each and update is pushed to me. But if your iPad is out of warranty, or if you have no Apple Care policy, in that case you should wait for few days when you will come to know about the problems and bugs after this update, that is iPadOS 18.1. In the lock screen you can see that no wallpaper has been added along with this. Only iPad 18 wallpapers are there. So I have installed, or I have downloaded some wallpaper that I will set on this iPad 10th generation. This is a very cool wallpaper, as you can see. And now I will add some widgets. Actually widgets was available in the last update also, but I haven't used it. But in this video I will show you the kinds of widgets you will get with calendar or any other apps that are available in these stacks. Apple has really focused on the customization feature. Previously Apple products were very boring, but nowadays they are competing well with Android devices. So you can see that many widgets are available in the form of widget section, so you can use them according to your preference. And also there are many styles of clocks also there. After that there is contact related features or widgets that you can add, and then in the health section that there are many widgets that you can add to your lock screen. Also there is home widgets, and after that there is music, there is notes, and there is reminders. All the widgets are available in this feature. Plus you can customize or you can adjust the position of each widgets. Also you can change the color of the clock style or the clock. It was available in the previous update also, so I will not go into detail of this feature. Now I will set this and show you about this. You can also change the color of the lock screen. There are many customization options. Now I will add and I will set as wallpaper pair. Now the wallpaper is set and lock screen is also set. As you can see here, it gives a fresh look. Actually this iPadOS 18.1 brings a lot more Apple Intelligence features in every app, be it Safari, Note app, calendar app, calling app, or any other app. So if you have iPad Pro series tablet, you can make use of this Apple Intelligence that will help you and make things easy for you. So in the conclusion, I would request you not to update right now. First of all, let's see what are the bugs that occur after this update. Only then make sure to update to the latest version. In my next video, I will talk about the drawbacks and the good points of iPadOS 18.1 and whether you should update to the latest version. So if you are interested to watch that video, stay subscribed with notification bell on. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.